Erifazi muhindi yashoborera ku district erikuza kukorekera kubasika cyona kurebekangu yiguraho emyanya misya y'uburambuzi.
Today we are grateful that we have climbed the mountains. We are now in Handero, in a place called Bulemba, where our first king of the omusinga is resting, and Kasese being one of the tourism sites. We want to arrange, as Kasese District Local Government, in collaboration with the Uganda Wildlife Authority and central government, want to ensure that we impress the policy or the idea of His Excellency the President to have security roads in the mountains.
Ogu yashoborera ngo mu myanya yibatereho sera no mwanya uguri kuzikamwa abasinga ba Rwenzururu ari kugira ngo ka district baza kukorekera kubasika cyona kurebekangu bigura Enguuto okongera amani ombyo burambuzi otere no kugira ngo Enguuto nkezi zija kwera mnonga okuretaho okurinda obusinge mu kicekeki.
This being a mountainous area, the terrain of this very particular place of Handero is such that it's not like other areas, because we have already seen the district engineer is here with us and he has already ascertained, because there was a road leading to the place, except that it's now bushy. It had been abandoned, but we want to have it open and we see how we move on. So we are only going to come up with a concept paper, bring it to the attention of central government in collaboration with the WUA, and then we see how we move on. Once this one is done, then our people will begin rejoicing. And this is because we are committed to ensuring that our people come out of poverty.
Okurijira har David Rujumba ho district engineer wa district egi yashoborera kubura kilomita y'Enguuto y'itaka ndebarwa hagati ya miliyoni 50 na miliyoni 6 eze sente za Uganda. Otere no kugira ngo Enguuto egi ndeija kwitya kilomita 500 kandi ndeija kurga hansharo ya Kithoru okwika hansharo ya Bunyangabo district.
We are estimating, because of the terrain, a kilometer may cost 50 million to 60 of a tarmac of Maram Road, and for tarmac it can estimate to about 2 to 5 billion.
Umuringo ngogume Elias kure urukuza kurebera umwanya ogu yashoborera ko Enguuto egi etarukuza kwera ubukongera amano mbyo burambuzi cyonka ngukonkane ija no kweraho umukongera amani mbyo kwerinda mu kicekeki arukwereze cyo kureberaho ecyo mu mwaka gwa 1996 ubabinazi aba ADF batahirira district niemwe.
Sisi here we are at the border line, Congo and Uganda, and you normally hear not every day that the border is safe. So we have a threat of being attacked by rebels from Congo at any time, because no way someone can now let us know that the area either Chitolu or at the borderline there is ABCD. No way. And actually now the civilians cannot afford, if he had anything, that let me now go running and inform these people.
Oro mukuru w'ebyobuhangwa omusinga bwa Rwenzururu Erikan Baruku yashoborera ko Enguuto egi erikwija kwera cyango omukongera amani omuntasya ombaturage mu kicekeki ari kugira ngo eki kija no kweraho okongera akatare k'ebintu hamwe no kongera amani ombyo burambuzi mu kicekeki.
We are from the burial site of Isaiah Mukiranya Kibanzanga, the first king of obusinga bwa Rwenzururu. We have planned to make this site into a major tourism center, where we intend to establish a museum that will constitute our royal regalia, reflecting our cultural heritage and history of the Bakonzo Obaira who stay on Mount Rwenzori.